Hello and welcome to this course where I will teach you hands-on modern cybersecurity and ethical hacking from scratch. By scratch, I mean from level 0, meaning no prior knowledge is required. We will start with the prerequisites because you can't jump directly into cybersecurity without understanding the fundamentals. Before we dive into actual cybersecurity, we need a solid foundation in computer networking, PowerShell, and Linux. These are absolutely essential prerequisites. PowerShell is a relatively new, but it is a crucial component of modern cybersecurity. You don't need to enroll in three separate courses to learn these three subjects. Everything will be covered in this course. My name is Sunny Dimalu. I am a cybersecurity consultant and reverse engineer. I will be your instructor for this course. Now, let me walk you through the course curriculum and what you will be taught in this course. Even though this course is primarily practical, it also explains all the essential theory behind hacking methods with animations. This helps you understand how things actually work behind the scenes in an attack. We will begin this course by setting up a cybersecurity lab where you will legally practice ethical hacking skills in your own private environment. Then we will move on to Kali Linux or Linux command line fundamentals. You will learn fundamental Linux commands including how to copy, remove, rename, and create files and directories. Then we will move on to Linux administration such as installing and removing applications, user management, networking commands, the sudo command, and many more essential commands. Once we are done with Linux, we will start PowerShell commands or commandlets. You will learn how to control your Windows system through PowerShell commands. We will cover these topics in PowerShell. By the end of PowerShell and Linux section, you will be able to control and manage your Windows and Linux systems through the command line. Then we will move to computer networking. You will learn about networking devices, how data communication works, cryptography, network topologies, TCP/IP and OSI models, and more. Once we cover these fundamentals, we will move into actual cybersecurity topics. You will learn how to protect your devices from malware and ransomware attacks, Wi-Fi hacking techniques, social engineering attacks and their defenses, system hardening and malware removal methods, network monitoring, Kali Linux administration, port scanning, cryptography concepts for secure communication, network protection strategies, essential cybersecurity tools like Wireshark and Nmap. There is a lot more, but these are the main highlights. You can check the complete curriculum by yourself. By the end of this course, you will have a diverse practical skill set in cybersecurity, PowerShell, and Linux. You will go from level 0 to intermediate. The teaching method follows a clear structure. First, you will be taught how hacking attacks work, followed by explanations on how to defend against them. This approach will help you gain a strong understanding of both sides of the equation. This course also includes 24/7 support. You can ask questions in the Q&A section. Your questions will be answered within 10 hours. For more information and my teaching style, check out the preview lectures. Thank you very much, guys.